I think everybody see my screen.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Today we have a session which we will try to talk a little bit about map with artificial intelligence and how we can integrate this technology to OSM, how we can use the artificial intelligence to do mapping in OSM. As we can see, or we can know that artificial intelligence, before continue, anyone who know a little bit about artificial intelligence, if you heard about this or you know a little bit about the artificial intelligence, you can elaborate if you know it. Anyone? Kama una idea.
Kidogo
Okay.
sina uelewa nayo sana, but I think it's about a machine. It's about machine learning.
Okay.
Which is maybe I don't know how to explain it, but it's like an introduction or combination of IoT and machine learning, like that.
Okay, that is clear. But what I need to say is that when you talk about artificial intelligence, we know that a human being have intelligence, is intelligent. So when we do things called the artificial intelligence, is to train a machine, and when we're talking about machine, is about the computer. So we have to train the computer to perform a given task which is performed by a human being. So this is a concept of artificial intelligence. So it's all about to train the computer to perform a given task which before can be performed by human being.
Okay.
Yeah. Na kama tunavyoona ni kwamba nowadays kuna issue inaitwa roboti, watu wana design robot, na wale wanao design robot ni kwamba kitu kinachofanyika ni kwamba walijaribu kuchukua fikra ya binadamu kuihamishia kwa robot, kwamba kitendo kinachofanyika na binadamu ambacho anaweza kufanya kama kumove, kutembea, basi robot pia na yenyewe liweze kuwa linatembea. Kwa hiyo ndio idea kubwa ya artificial intelligence. So today we will try to talk on how we can use this artificial intelligence on issue of mapping, how we can map by using artificial intelligence. And the tools we will be used is OpenStreetMap, and we will cover JOSM and ID editor. Also, we cover maps with artificial intelligence. This is a technology, and we can call it technology which is connected with OpenStreetMap. So now they can work together. So this map with artificial intelligence is designed in order to detect given features on the Earth surface, like roads, building. So I know that everyone here know about JOSM and the OpenStreetMap ID editor. Like, yeah. So if you need to do some mapping in a given area, you have to use the JOSM or ID editor to create a building or a load. So by the help of maps with artificial intelligence, it will help to detect the road and the building in the Earth surface without your map, without you, so without a human being. So by using map with artificial intelligence, it will help us to save time and also to map a large area in a small given time. So today I will try to talk about map with artificial intelligence, but also we can come up on how we can make installation of this. How we can make integration between artificial intelligence and the GeoSM, how we can connect between these two technologies. Yeah. In terms of the definition, that artificial intelligence refer to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their action. So it is all about how you can train your program, or you can train your machine, which is a computer or other machine, to perform some action that you can perform. So this is the introduction of artificial intelligence. I don't need to go deep because we only try to integrate it into mapping. So I don't need to go deep. If we have the session to go deep with artificial intelligence, we'll prepare it for you. But now we'll try to talk a little about artificial intelligence and how we can connect it to OSM. And this map with the artificial intelligence, they use artificial intelligence to map the world. In conjunction with OpenStreetMap, we are creating tools that we hope will enable the map community to enjoy a faster and more accurate mapping experience. So this map with artificial intelligence is like a program which is designed in order to accelerate the speed of mapping and to make kwamba tuwe na uwezo wa kuwa na data kwa muda mfupi, lakini watu waweze kumap vitu vingi. Kwa hiyo ilikuwa designed in order to simplify the work of mapping. Baada ya wewe kukaa kwenye kompyuta yako kuwa unafanya mapping, unaiachia artificial intelligence, inaweza ikafanya kazi badala yako wewe. Kwa now this how we can perform this is to this end, we use the artificial intelligence to predict features on the high resolution satellite images. And this high resolution satellite images ndo kama zile tunazotumia kama hii Maxar zipo ni high, na ukiongelea high resolution mara nyingi ni mita kuanzia 5 na kushuka au mita 10 kushuka. These features are then populated in our rapid map editing tool. When combined with the global scale humanitarian effort, we hope Rapid can help realize our vision of more connected world. So map with artificial intelligence, it is like a program ambao wenyewe wamejaribu kuja na technology ambayo inaitwa Rapid. Hii Rapid ni editing tool ambayo imekuwa connected na OpenStreetMap. So here you can see how we can integrate this GeoSM and the OSM and the artificial intelligence through Rapid editing tools. Now, if you need to learn more about map with artificial intelligence, you can go to their website here, which is www.mapwith.ai. So you can learn more about them. Let's see. Okay. Everybody see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this is the website of maps with the artificial intelligence. So as you can see, they try to indicate what the activity they perform. So artificial intelligence can detect road, map the world rapid editor, and then plus humanitarian prioritized community task mapping. As you can see here, it is one of the application of machine learning. Here, as you can see, we have the satellite image and the load which is detected by artificial intelligence. So as you can see, this purple card, there's features which detected by rapid editing tool or artificial intelligence. But also rapid or map with artificial intelligence can help us to map faster, but better map, to get better map. So you can learn more about them to this site. Let us continue. Okay, so today we'll try how to integrate or how to connect map with artificial intelligence in JSON, because we are going to use JSON in editing. So first of all, you have to open your JSON. Then after open the JSON, we have to install the plugin as we did before. So we needed to install the plugin, which is map with artificial intelligence, and we will use the same procedure on how we can install this. You have to go to edit and then preference and then plugin. And the plugin will have to search map with artificial intelligence. And then you have to check this. Then you click OK. So I have already installed this. So if you are in the process of installation of map with artificial intelligence, it will require you to restart your JSON. So you have to restart your JSON in order for the plugin to be installed in your JSON. So now I have to load the data which I needed to do the artificial intelligence in that area. Maybe I have to find an area where I will apply my map with artificial intelligence. So I have to select the area. Let's say this is the area. And then I have to download. But here you can download as a new layer. Yeah. So this is the area which we will work with today. Okay, this is the area which we will try to detect the load and the building. But when you look at the area, you see there are a little mapping which were performed before. So we needed to detect other features like load. When you take a look to the image, and I'm using the Maxa Premium, you can see there is a load, but there is no any mapping performed in it to show that this is the load. So we try to use map with artificial intelligence in order to detect if there is a load and the building, other building. So what you need to perform, what you need to do, you have to go to data, then have to go to map with artificial intelligence, and you will see the option that map with artificial intelligence, download the data. So we needed to have the data from map with artificial intelligence. So we have to download the data. I have to click download the data. This data is for, we have to choose either it is a data layer or area OSM, this layer here. So we have to choose which artificial, you need to perform artificial intelligence in which area, in which layer. So I have to select data layer 4, which is here. Then you have to press OK. And then it will start to perform a detection of loads in a given area and other features like viewing. So as you can see here, we have the purple features, purple linear and the polygon. As usual, that linear mostly it represents a road, but also linear used to present something like a river. So here also we will deal with to see if you see polygon in your mindset, always you can say that this is a building, or it can be something which is in polygon form. And when you're talking about something in polygon form, it is like an area or a building. So when you click this polygon here, and when you come back to tag toolbar here, you can see that this is a building, yes, but it is mapped by using map with the artificial intelligence as a source. Yeah. So we have done by detecting different features like load here. So what we need to perform again is to use this artificial intelligence to import this feature into our layer here, which is a data layer 4. When we come back to data layer 4, you can see there is no any features here. There is no road, there is no map B load or map B building. But when we come up to artificial intelligence, you can see that there is a road which is mapped here, and this is the road which is mapped by artificial intelligence. So the next step is to import this data, or to make the use of this data by importing from map with artificial intelligence layer to data layer 4. So how we can perform this? We have to go back to map with artificial intelligence. So this is the load. How to select the load, and then you have to go back to the data, then map with artificial intelligence, and then you have to select add selected data. So when you add selected data, this data will be sent to data layer 4, as you can see here. When you come back here, you don't see that there is no any data, because we have shifting this, and we have to resend, we have resending this data to data layer 4. So what you need to perform here again, you have to perform a little cleaning like to position or to align your artificial intelligence load to a specific or correct position. Like you can see here. Like you can see here. So after positioning, I have to clean a little in order to get correct data. Okay, but also you can continue with we can expand your road in order to relate with your satellite imaging. So you can expand the load network. So here we do a little modification, but as you can see, it helps us to save a given. It helps us to save a lot of work that you have. Ukiangalia kwa mfano kwenye mchoro wetu wa load kuanzia huku ni kwamba ni kipande kirefu sana ambacho endapo kama wewe ungekuwa unafanya mapping kuteki labda ni muda fulani. Kwa kupitia artificial intelligence imeweza kudetect. Kwa tunachokifanya ni kumalizia tu kile kipande kilichobakia au by performing a little cleaning. Baada ya hapo unaweza ukarekebisha, maana this wamemap kama wameitag kama residential kwa sababu hatuna uhakika nayo, but hii walijaribu ilikuwa detected. So unaweza ukaacha kama residential au pia unaweza ukachange kama upo familia na hizi barabara. Lakini pia can go back, kirudi tena kwenye when you go back to map with artificial intelligence, you can see that there is other features which is a load, probably the load which are needed to be modified. So you can continue with modification of this or these features, but before modifying, make sure that you have to modify after importing the data from map with artificial intelligence to data layer 4. So in order to do that, simply you have to select the feature and then you have to come up to data, then add the selected data to add selected data. So it will shift from layer 1 to another layer which we deal with, and this layer we will use to upload the data. So kama unavyoangalia hapa, hii layer number 4 hii ya juu mara nyingi inatumika tu ku detect, it used to detect, lakini layer ambayo hii tumeicreate ndio layer ambayo tutakayotumia kufanyia kazi na ndio layer ambayo tutakayotumia kuupload our data. Kwa pia tutatumia, we will use the same procedure to add the polygon features. We have to use the same, but when we come here, you don't see any building, but by the help of artificial intelligence, it detects that there is a building, but I'm not sure if there is a building here. So you can leave this. I have to go to the features which let's say let's find another feature which is a polygon features or building. Okay, this one. Also, I'm not sure that there is a building here. Maybe they use another imagery. So you can check other imagery to see if it is a correct. Let's say, let's use Bing. There's no data in Bing. Okay, Bing easily. So no data. Let's use notes. Easily. Okay, so yeah, we don't detect by our own eyes that we don't detect that there is a building here. So you can leave it. We have to continue with other features which like ukiangalia hii ngoja tuifungue current imagery ambayo ni Maxup Premium. Also so it depends on the area. Ukiangalia kwenye hili eneo labda lilitumika kuwa mapped na satellite image ambayo ni maybe ni old au ni current. Kwa hiyo tunachokifanya sasa hivi, kwa mfano map with artificial intelligence mara nyingi wanatumia satellite image ambayo ni ya Facebook. Sasa kuna integration moja ambayo haijafanyika kwenye JOSM, so inaweza kuwa tunapofanya mapping hivi inaweza ikadetect, ndio kwa mfano kwenye in terms of load it is well detected, but when we come up to building inaweza ikawa imekosea kumap. So tunachotakiwa kufanya tutaachana na hiyo features, maana tutaenda kutumia tena tools nyingine kuona je, hii sehemu kweli kulikuwa na jengo au kulikuwa hakuna jengo. Up to there, if there is any question you can ask up to there.
Shabani,
Okay,
sorry, nilikuwa nataka kuuliza kwa mfano
ndio
umesha install hiyo plugin halafu then ukajaribu kuload data ambazo labda zishawahi kumapiwa, mfano kwenda kwenye eneo ambao kuna data ambazo zishafanywa, si ndio?
Okay,
Yes, still hii artificial intelligence itazidetect zile data au ina detect yale maeneo ambayo hakuna data?
kinachofanyika ni kwamba kuna maeneo ambayo yamekuwa mapped, ndio, lakini sometimes hii artificial intelligence ina uwezo wa kudetect maeneo ambayo yale ambayo yamekuwa mapped mara nyingi sidhani. Ngoja tufanye mfano hapa, tutolee mfano hapa.
Yes,
lakini lile eneo ambalo halijakuwa mapped, maana hii ni kama msaada, yani kwamba inatupush ku detect yale maeneo ambayo yalikuwa hajawa detected. Lakini pia na believe kwamba inaweza ikadetect majengo ambayo yamekuwa mapped tayari. Kwa hiyo tufanye mfano hapa. Let's say kuna hii hapa, ukiangalia before kulikuwa na majengo hapa. Okay, before hapo kulikuwa na majengo, lakini pia
yes,
hapakuwa na barabara. Barabara haikuchorwa, japo barabara ilikuwa bado haijachorwa. Ndipo ukiweka hii artificial intelligence, unaona kuna majengo baadhi yaliyokuwa detected, lakini sio yote. Kwa mfano hapa ni jengo moja tu ambalo limekuwa detected. Kwa meaning nyingine ni kwamba inaweza ikatumika, maana kinachofanyika au kwenye ile eneo inaweza ikawa tayari lishafanyiwa mapping, kwa wakaconvert zile artificial intelligence zikaja kuwa haya majengo ya kawaida. Unaelewa? Yeah, maana tunachokifanya kwa mfano kama jengo hili hapa, unatakiwa uje uliconvert sasa je lisome kama ni data tu ya kawaida. Kwa ukifanya hivi, ukiadd to selected itakuja kwenye hii layer. Kwa hiyo ita move kutoka kwenye artificial intelligence huko, hakutokuwa tena na nini na lile jengo, litahamia huku. Kwa ukija hapa
okay.
yeah, kwa hiyo inaweza ikawa ishai kufanyika mapping hapa, ndio maana kuna maeneo yameshindwa kuna nili, yani haya majengo ambayo yamechorwa yameshindwa kuwa detected.
Yeah, hapo sawa. Okay, asante.
Okay, mwingine? Kwa this is how we can use map with artificial intelligence to map in OpenStreetMap or to connect with OpenStreetMap.
Ndio, okay.
Let me come back here. Yeah. Kwa hiyo tunachokifanya ni kwamba this is one of the application of map with artificial intelligence, and I have already show you how you can connect to JSON and how you can use it. Unaweza ukaendelea kufanya practice za map with artificial intelligence either kwa kutumia JSON, but also you can use ID editor which is the online. Tunapotumia JSON mara nyingi ni vision ambao ni software ambayo imejaribu kutengenezwa ambao pia unaweza ukaweka offline, lakini ukiongelea ID editor kama tulivyoongelea kipindi kile ni kwamba it's one of the tools which it is online. You have to use it online. Without having a bundle, you will not be able to access it. Kwa pia kwa kutumia hii map with artificial intelligence ina work pia ikiwa online. So nitaenda haraka hapa kuweza kuonyesha jinsi gani unaweza ukaweka na map with artificial intelligence ikiwa online. Kwa ikienda kwenye in terms of online ndio tunaita kitu kinachoitwa rapid ID. Rapid ID. Na rapid ID ni hapa. Ukiingia kwenye hii web yao, ukiangalia huku chini wana task zao au project zao ambao wanaonyesha jinsi gani unaweza ukacontribute, na hizi project zao nyingi zimekuwa created na hii, yani zimekuwa connected na hii rapid or artificial intelligence. So you can go here and choose one of their task or project and then perform. Then let's say we can start mapping, or we can start mapping with this. Map with a community of people focused on humanitarian effort around the globe, or you can start mapping with this method. Yeah? And when you come, you have to log in. Okay, so this is it is a project which project of use makers. So you can try them and check if you can get connection with Rapid. So you have to contribute in any project. Okay, let's say I'm trying to choose this. I have to choose the square, and then here yeah, I need to find the task which is connected with artificial intelligence. So let's go there. Let us go here to task manager and to search for artificial intelligence. when you come, yeah, like this task here, please use the Rapid ID editor to map the road. So let's say, let's find another, let's see, not Rapid. Yeah, this is Rapid in Kenya. So you can choose, or you can go and filter. You can go and filter, map difficulty, organization, campaign. We need to map with artificial intelligence. Yeah. So as you can see, all this is a project which, okay, let's click this task. Yeah, we need to map. So how to log in first. And then, so here I'm trying to show you how you can use online platform to map a given area by using Rapid or map with artificial intelligence. So we can select random, but if there is no random, let's go to the validation. We can select, let's find another task here. Yeah, let's see. So you can find any task which it is related to Rapid ID. So this is the one of the tasks I have select. Yeah, as you can see, it is look like ID editor because it's connected by ID editor. So we can, it is a ID editor which is connected with Rapid, which is our artificial intelligence. So we can do the same as we did in JSON. Here as you see, you have the load which is detected by artificial intelligence or Rapid, and how to as you can see that there is a Rapid bar here. You can click, and if you uncheck this box, you can see that there is no any features which detected by Rapid. If you need to activate the Rapid, you have to go here and then you have to check. This. Then you have to press OK. So you can see the load which is detected by Rapid. So what you need to do is to make sure that this load is mapped well. As you can see that this load is too short, so what you need to do is to expand the load. So before expanding the load, as we did in JSON, you have to use the feature. So here, instead of adding feature as we did in JSON, we have to select the feature and then use the feature. You have to click use the feature, and the feature will be converted from map with the artificial intelligence to a normal format of load that we used in OpenStreetMap. So when you click the load, you can see the type of load is residential road, but it's too short. So what you need to perform is to expand the road. How to expand and align it well. But also here we do the same. Select the feature, then use this feature. Select the feature, then you use feature. Then you have to modify a little bit. Then you have to upload your data. So this is how we can use artificial intelligence on JOSM and the ID editor. So if there's question, you can ask. Okay, if you have question you can ask. Mpaka kwenye hapo nilipofikia, kama una swali au una hoja yoyote juu ya mada hii ambayo tumeisoma leo, unaweza ukauliza.
Labda ni nataka clarification tu, nataka verification kuhusu, umesema huku kwenye JOSM ni offline, si ndio editor?
Yeah.
Download your data, labda ukazi modify, you add, you can upload, then ukisha connect na internet.
Yeah.
Lakini ukitumia hii map is AI, maana yake lazima uwepo online na internet connected, si ndio? Yeah, basi ndiko nataka hiyo clarification vizuri. Okay, sawa.
Yeah, maana kuna issue moja tu ni kwamba tunapotumia JOSM ni moja ya platform ambayo pia unaweza ukafanya nayo kazi ukiwa offline, ila tu kama una zile image, kama una uwezo wa kuwa na hii image ambayo tunaiona hapa ambayo ni maksha, kama unaweza ukawa na image kama hii, kama unaweza ukawa na hivi vitu, unaweza ukaweka tu offline kwenye kufanya digitization na ile data yako ukaisave ikiwa offline, aidha ukaiconvert. Kama unakumbuka session ile tulioifanyaga iliyokuwa inahusiana kwamba unaweza ukaconvert kutengeneza shape files kwa unaweza ukatumia digitization ukiwa offline, mwisho wa siku ukatengeneza zile shape files zako na ukapeleka kwenye kwenye ukatoa data kutoka kwenye JOSM kupeleka kwenye QGIS ili uweze kutengeneza shape file. Kwa unaweza ukaifanya ikiwa offline.
Okay.
Yeah. Ila tu kila kitu unachokifanya kiwe kwenye projection maalum ambao inatakiwa. Kwa mfano image ya Tanzania unatakiwa uweke kwenye projection ambayo inatakiwa hiyo ya Tanzania, au convert ina format ambayo JOSM ina format ambayo inasoma zile image ambao mara nyingi wanaita MD-tile, kitu kama hicho. Sijajua kama ina open GeoTIFF, lakini kama ina open GeoTIFF hapa ina open sijafahamu zaidi kwenye upande wa GeoTIFF, but nafahamu zaidi kwenye issue ya kwamba ile image unaweza ukaiconvert ikawa kwenye format ambayo ikaweza kuwa detected na JOSM.
Okay.
Yeah. Kwa baada hapo unaweza ukaifanya offline.
Sawa.
Mimi nimemaliza bwana, kwa kipande changu nimemaliza. Labda kwa session inayofuata tulikuwa nataka tujadiliane, maana naamini ndio kuna kipindi tutakuwa busy, lakini nataka sasa hivi tuingie kwenye session ya mambo ya kufanya earth observation, kufanya image analysis kwa kutumia QGIS. Kwa naamini kuanzia wiki ijayo nipo naiandaa hiyo session. Kwa tutakuwa na hizo session za kufanya wanaita geospatial analysis, zile kufanya imagery analysis kwa kutumia QGIS. Before nilikuwa natumia Arc, lakini kwa sababu nataka ni perform kwa kutumia QGIS maana ni open source, ili kila mtu aweze kugain hiyo knowledge.
Aweze kufanya.
Yeah. Kwa natamani wiki ijayo mbaki muwe wengi zaidi.
Okay, hamna tatizo, tutakuwa wengi.
Sawa. Basi sawa, kama hamna swali, naona muda wetu unaelekea kuisha. Na nahisi basi itakuwa ndo mwisho wa session yetu ya leo hapa. Naweza mkaendelea kufanya practice ya hizi na artificial intelligence, hii map with artificial intelligence kupitia ile website yao. Naweza mkaingia kule mkachukua task moja hapo mkajaribu ku nayo
practice. Okay.
Asanteni.
Okay, asante sana Shabani.
Okay.
Thank you, Shabani.
Okay.